Here we are on the Venmo app. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer $125 to your bank account. Venmo is a very simple payments app. You can see we're on the Me tab in the bottom right corner. So once you sign up, go through all the steps, connect your bank accounts and everything, you'll be able to accept money from people. You can see my username in the top left. So basically I can provide anybody with that username and they can send me money. Then once I have money here in my Venmo balance, I can transfer it to my bank account. So you can see the big blue transfer button near the middle of the screen. I'm going to go ahead and tap that. And we have two options here. I can do it in 1 to 3 business days for free, or I could do instant and pay a $2.18 fee. I don't want to pay a fee, so I'm gonna do the 1 to 3 business days. It usually does it in 1 business day anyways. Then I'm just gonna tap the big green transfer button. Transfer initiated, transfers are reviewed which may result in delays, yada yada. But there we go, transfer is on the way. You can see my Venmo balance is now 0. And that's how you do it. Very easy to accept payments and then transfer it to your bank on the Venmo app. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.